In this video, I am going to show you how to use a car battery analyzer. So in this video, I will be showing you specifically the Kzyee KS20, but what I'm going to show you is going to be similar for most battery testers. One nice thing about this battery tester is it comes with its own case. It's very easy to use. To hook this up, you put the black clip on the ground or negative terminal of the car and put red to positive. To do the battery test, you answer the questions that the battery tester asks you. You can find the battery type on the battery itself. In my case, it was on the front right bottom corner of the battery. This will give you instant results. It basically tells you if your voltage and also the cold cranking amps or CCA is good. Anything 12.45 volts or higher and your battery is basically in good shape. The next test this shows you is the charging test. What you will want to do is start the engine, then after you start the engine, press enter on the device. This shows you the current voltage and also shows you the minimum and maximum voltage. Here you can check for anything lower than 13.7 or anything higher than 14.7. Anything lower than 13.7 and you may have a problem and may need to replace your battery. The next test is the start engine test. You'll go ahead and turn this on and then start your engine, and what you want to check for on this is the minimum points. Anything that is 9 volts or lower, you will probably want to consider replacing your battery. The last test on this is the load test. So basically you just want to turn on all of the electrical stuff in your car that you can, all interior lights, headlights, stereo, whatever, just to measure the load. And you'll want to make sure that your battery voltage is not dropping too low when you do all of this. That's it. A battery test is pretty simple if you have the right tools. It's good to check your battery periodically just so that you don't confuse any problems your car might be having with being a bad battery. I will post a link below to this specific battery tester.